With the recent completion of the large Ashegoda wind farm, Ethiopia is solidifying its role as sub-Saharan Africa's biggest renewable energy producer. Ethiopia recently completed the Ashegoda wind power project, bringing 84 massive wind turbines online. Each turbine is close to 80 meters tall and generate power using basic windmill technology. Wind turns the turbine, which use gears and a generator to convert the energy into electricity. Underground cables lead to a substation and transformer, before the electricity is transmitted to the population centers. Ethiopia currently produces around 2,000 megawatts of electricity, but hopes within 2 years to boost that to 10,000 megawatts, roughly the annual usage of a single US household. With more wind farm projects in the pipeline, officials hope one day to export electricity to neighboring countries. Several more wind farms are scheduled to be completed soon, which could help Ethiopia meet its goal of becoming a middle-income, carbon-neutral nation by 2025.